So yesterday, I talked about how this might be a really great weekend to spring clean. And today I'm curious, what are you working on with it? You have that Virgo moon after all. If you don't know what I'm talking about, my name is Sarah. I'm a mom of an astrologist. I kind of share the vibe of the day. Well, I don't kind of, I just do. If you prefer to get it in writing, check up there. Now, with this Virgo moon, she's at a point in her cycle where she's talking opposite to Saturn, who loves to give structure to things and helps things go in a certain way, who's in Pisces, which is like water vapor. So it's like an erector set being built in fog. So you might be checking in with those dreams, and it might be intuitively hits with you as a result. And then you have Venus checking in with the moon, who works with our resources and how we love, and who's going to be the ruler of that lunar eclipse we have on Monday. So you might feel like trying to figure out, are you putting everything in place? Is what you're doing serving you? That might be coming up. Like, what are some of the old patterns that you've had in the past that just haven't been working? Are they going to help meet your needs to move forward in this lifetime? That's a very profound question. So what you think? Are they helping you?